Hello guys and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Australian Safe Shepherd using Trust Wallet. First of all, you're going to have to locate your browser. I'm using the Google Chrome. You might be using Safari, so whichever you prefer. You open your browser and you search for the Australian Safe Shepherd's contract address. You give it some time, it loads up, and you'd be using CoinMarketCap to get the contract address. Once you're on CoinMarketCap, all you need to do is to take note of the smart chain network that's on, and you copy its contract address like I just did. You minimize the app and you open your Trust Wallet. While you're opening your Trust Wallet, you'd be asked to input your password, which I've just done. And from there, you go to the DApp section at the bottom right corner of your screen and you search for the exchange platform known as PancakeSwap. Make sure you're on the smart chain network, like so. Give it some time to load. We'll be using BNB as a means of exchange for the Australian Safe Shepherd coin. You paste in its wallet address and you add it in. Make sure you have a substantial amount of BNB to be able to buy the coin. And once you're done, you input the amount you'd like to buy and you click on swap or buy. That's all, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding how to buy the Australian Safe Shepherd coin.